Hi, Jan Taylor Indigo Soul. I'm just popping on today to remind you, if you haven't seen already, that the deadline for the 8 monthly early bird instalments for my Crystal Diploma therapy workshops ends on the 31st of May. I've also thrown in a bonus offer for those who book on early bird for the first 3 that book, in that you get 3 distant healing, crystal healing sessions with me. And 2 of places have been snapped up already. So I just wanted to pop on today and make sure that you don't miss out on this special offer. So if you live near to Telford in Shropshire, near enough to travel, then the course starts on the 8th of September, Sunday the 8th of September. There are 4 workshops altogether to cover all of the modules that you need to learn to get the full crystal therapy diploma, and the other module dates will be set as we go along, because I mutually arrange them with whoever attends the course so that everybody can make them, rather than putting set dates and then people can't make, say, one of the dates, for instance. So the early bird offer of the free crystal distant healing sessions, 3 of them you get a course of 3 from me, 1 a month. So for the next 3 months you get a crystal healing from me, which you also get a report from, and the 8 monthly instalments end on the 31st of May. Okay, I won't go through what's covered in the course, but basically you get a certificate at the end of it, which you can then send off to insurance company, and you can be insured straight away as a crystal therapist. And then if you want to get the diploma, you just have to do 3 case studies. So it's as simple as that. It's an absolutely fabulous course. Everybody loves it. I love running it. So if you live close enough to Telford in Shropshire, I would absolutely love to see you there, and I look forward to doing your crystal healing for you, because crystal healing is absolutely fabulous. It's so powerful, and it shifts stuff really quickly. My 2 passions at the moment, I am learning other things as well, but the 2 passions at the moment are Reiki and crystal therapy. Reiki tends to be more sort of a gentle kind of healing. I wouldn't say a slower one, but more gentle, and sort of like gives you the bigger picture, if you like, and digs deep. But crystal healing is like it's like a flash of lightning, if you like, in terms of healing. So it does work really quickly, and the 2 together that I do together is absolutely wonderful. So if you want to take me up on my offer, or you want to find out more about the course, click on the link below. And if Telford is too far for you, I also have the same course available online as well, which is just below £200 cheaper. I think you pay more if you attend in person, because I have to buy lots of crystals, and I supply more crystals to you during the course with the workshops. You get the free chakra balancing set with the online course, but with the one in person, you're getting me, and you're getting everything that you need as you go along as well, pretty much. Okay. Another thing I wanted to mention as well, I've also got a special offer on my abundance course, methods that I use myself to create abundance, and also lots of teachings about the law of abundance from different angles. The law of attraction, sorry. That course is normally £88, but until the 3rd of June you can get it for only £22. It's an absolute bargain, and I'm doing it because I know a lot of people are probably getting to the middle of the year and they're thinking, I thought this was going to be my year, I'm still struggling, I'm still not creating that abundance that I wanted to. Where is it? What's happening? What am I doing wrong? So this course will help you with that. So that's why I'm doing it at this super special offer for you. So grab that one while you can. At the time of recording this, there's not even a week left to grab it. So that's it from me today. I'm actually off for the rest of the week because it's Whit Week in the UK, so I'm taking some much needed time off and some rest. I've been getting a bit of vertigo just lately due to a previous major ear-op that I had quite a few years ago now, but I do suffer from vertigo every now and again, so that's why I'm a bit quiet this week. I'll still be around posting stuff on my page, but I'm not around physically as much. Okay, so if you've got any questions as well, just pop them in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you properly again next week. Bye for now.